Hello everybody. Nate Adams here for a very special type of video. So many people wonder how I am such an autistic person. Oops, I mean autistic. Oops, I meant autistic. Oops, I meant artistic. I am a very artistic person, so I am going to show you how to draw a horse today. We have to start simple. So you want to start with a simple circle shape for the head. The head is the most important part in drawing. So much depth and detail goes into it. Then we draw the neck, the body. Horses are very muscular, so I am making mine muscular. If your horse isn't muscles, then you are a beta male cuck. SPEAKINGOF male cucks. Recently my dad and my 2x mom twice removed boyfriend got into a fight. The argument was very heated and it was the discussion of whatever the fuck child safety is. So anyways, my dad pulled out a gun and shot him and then called him a beta cuck. So remember, beta cucks are stupid and ugly. Thanks for watching my drawing tutorial. Tune in next week when I teach you how to peel the foreskin back to clean your nasty smega tip. Until next time. Nate Adams signing off.